Hello and welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we will be finally running our application on our device. So I actually ran this application and I actually found out that there were two errors in this application. So what you need to do is that if you have a look at the remove task method, what we have done here is that we have formed the SQL query, and the query is actually correct, but what you need to do is that you need to leave a decent amount of space in between this. So for example, what this query actually does is that it basically attaches these two things so that there is actually no space in between these two words. So you need to have an appropriate space over here, here and here. And same is the case with another query, which is basically this query, which we have written in the database.toString method. So as you could see, this was the initial query and this is the new query, and we have added a single space over here and over here. So once you're done with this, you're basically good to go and your application is going to run fine on your device. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to run this application and show you how this thing actually works. So I'm going to save the code, run this app, and let's see how this works. Okay, so the application is up and running on my device, and let me just record my screen. So hopefully you'll be able to see my screen over here, and let's add a simple task like play. And when I hit add task, as you could see, the task has been added. So what we want to do here when we click this add task button, the edit text should actually be cleared. So right now I have to clear it manually, and let's enter another task like eat, hit add task, and as you could see, the task has been added. And now let's say we want to add another task like, let's say, sleep. So you type sleep, hit add task, and as you could see, the sleep is actually added over there. And now once you want to delete the task, you could simply type in the task name and hit remove task, and as you could see, the task is now deleted. So as you have noticed, the app performed actually quite well. The only thing which you need to take care of is that you do need to delete the edit text when you click the add button. So for that purpose, what we can do is that we could go ahead and empty the edit text over here in the add button clicked as well as the remove button clicked, and we should be good to go. So that's all about the SQLite databases, and we have successfully learned how to add a certain thing to the database, how to delete a certain thing from the database, and how to retrieve a certain thing from the database. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.